Hey everyone guys, welcome back, and in today's tutorial I'll show you how to add a Visa gift card to your Apple Wallet. So if you're looking to use your gift card through Apple Pay guys, here's how to actually set it up. Let's get started guys. So first things first, you want to make sure that your Visa gift card is actually activated and actually has a balance, right? You can check this by visiting the card issuer's website, or you can call the number on the back of the card. Next things guys, what you're going to do is you want to open up the wallet app on your iPhone and just tap on the plus icon, okay, in the top right corner to add a new card. Then you want to just select either debit or credit card, okay. Then you want to follow the prompts to manually enter your Visa gift card details, or just scan the card with your camera. And once you have entered the card information, okay, Apple Wallet will verify the details, and if the card is successfully added, it will show up in your wallet and ready to use with Apple Pay. Remember, guys, some Visa gift cards may not work with Apple Wallet due to restrictions from the issuer. And if you encounter issues, just check with the card issuer for more details. And that's it, guys. Your Visa gift card is now added to Apple Wallet and it is ready to use guys. And if you found this tutorial helpful guys, don't forget to like. If you're still having trouble guys, you can comment down below and I'll actually help you out in the comments as well. Until next time guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and see you guys in the next video.